In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to download and install Google News app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. And here at the Google Chrome, you need to navigate here at the upper right side of the screen. You can see an icon like this. Click on it. And here you will be able to bring up this featured Google app. So by that, you need to scroll down and locate with news. So in my case, it is being placed here next to Gemini. So click on this one. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to the Google News page. Wait until it would be ready for you before we continue to the installation. So here you will be able to see about the news or top stories about the world. So it has this section where you can see the home, okay, a news feed about news about all over the world. You can go with for you following the page that you have followed here and the country that you would like to hear a news with, the world, the local, business, technology, entertainment, and more. So it has a lot of category here. And if you would like to install this one to your Windows 11 computer, just navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it, and you need to locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you will be able to bring up this new window. Please proceed with install Google News. So this small window will ask you to confirm your action. Go with install and wait for a few seconds for it to be installed here successfully in our Windows. So once a new window would appear, that would mean that we have successfully installed it here in our Windows 11. So close it, and then you need to close the browser as well. And there, when you look at to your desktop, Google News, I mean, a shortcut for Google News has been automatically created as well here at the desktop. So in this way, you will be able to access it easily. And if you would look at the button search bar here, if you would type here news, you would get to see Google News might either under the best matched or under the option where it asks you to pin it to taskbar, you can simply click on yes or click on nothing. So as you can see under the apps, you can see their Google News, okay, where you can open it here under this window. The moment you will be able to search, I mean, the moment you search it here at the search bar, okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.